like Athens that got hit tonight, Sulphur Springs, it does look like that severe weather threat is effectively over. But as we look at live Viper radar right now, we're still tracking a relatively intense line of showers and thunderstorms here. And here are some of the arrival times. Pineland, you guys could see the weather by 10:23 this evening, 10:31 in Hemphill, and then Minnie, it looks like 10:27. We'll go ahead and put this in motion. I'm not super impressed with this storm system right now, which is good news. I mean, these storms do not need to be impressive. It is great if these just happen to produce a little bit of wind and some very heavy rain just to kind of put a dent in the drought. But these are the storms that are the most intense in the area right now, with the exception of a little sliver of northeastern Shelby County and extreme southeastern Panola County. Those are moving into parts of Louisiana as we speak. But after that, I do think the severe weather threat will quickly diminish for all of Shelby and all of Panola County. So let's go ahead and pause this. I do want to show you how much rain that we've seen. We really haven't hit on this a lot, but some locations saw some pretty good rainfall today, which was good news. We really needed to see some of that rain. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up the 24-hour rainfall estimates, and folks, these are going to vary, but as you can see in some of these green shaded regions, we saw those rain totals estimated to be just under 1.5 inches in Henderson near San Augustine County. Pretty healthy rain there as well. About 1 inch of rainfall picked up. And then you look off to the northwest where we kind of had that training of showers and thunderstorms. Here in the yellow, we saw the highest rainfall totals. And we'll go ahead and look at that. But you can see near Gilmer, about 2.1 inches of rain, and then near Morris County we saw about 2.7 inches. In extreme southwestern Upshur County, just to the north of Big Sandy, we saw just over 2 inches of rain. And we literally were mentioning 3 tornado warnings for Upshur County today, so it was a rough night there, but still no reports of damage in Upshur County. Morris County, that's a little bit of a different story. The National Weather Service will be going out to survey some of that damage here within the next few days. But the threat's still not over. As we look at this, tornado watch is out through midnight tonight, and there's a tornado watch in Louisiana now out through 4 o'clock. But as we take a little closer look at home, this is through midnight for our southeastern counties, including Trinity, Angelina, Nacogdoches, San Augustine, Shelby, and Sabine County. And there's still some wind energy and wind shear available for these storms to really ramp up, so we'll keep an eye on that. But notice this. Off to the northwest, those winds have decreased and they're out of the northwest, bringing in some much more stable air behind that front. So we are counting that as a win for our northwestern counties after a lot of bad that moved through the area earlier. But there are your showers and thunderstorms in deep East Texas. I've got your temperatures in the 60s and 70s with the front that's a little further off to the northwest. And all these are right here are just a couple of showers that are moving through parts of Anderson County. But there's your front. It's still moving off to the east. The back edge of the storm system actually brought a little bit of snow to northern Oklahoma tonight, so that's been interesting. We're not going to see any of that here in East Texas, but the front will continue to push off into Louisiana here over the next few hours, and that should start to end our severe weather threat. So where you're seeing those dew points in the 50s, your severe weather threat's effectively over, which leaves Lufkin, Center, and Hemphill, who are still dealing with that severe weather potential. So we're going to continue to see those showers and thunderstorms move off to the south and to the east. That was 11 o'clock. By midnight, the last of it is moving through Sabine County. By about 2 o'clock in the morning, I do anticipate that severe weather threat to end, and then most of Saturday, we're going to be mostly dry. Here's the weekend outlook. Decreasing clouds. Going to be a cooler day for your Saturday. Upper 60s, middle 70s Sunday with plenty of sunshine around, and then those lows should be in the 50s. So all in all, not too bad of a weekend considering what we had today. Next 7, clearing skies for your Saturday, 76 Sunday. There's your isolated shower chance on Monday, and then we're back up into the 80s Tuesday into Wednesday with 78 Thursday, 66 degrees next Friday as we track another powerful cold front. But important to note, without severe weather that this cold front brought. So some good news there. Deep East Texas, similar trend will be in the 70s for your weekend, and then 80s return next week. So Neil and Casey, the National Weather Service office in Shreveport will be out to survey these storms just to give us a better idea of what exactly occurred and how strong these tornadoes were.
Yeah, they will certainly be busy this